and this is Faith, and we're about to do a gingerbread man, and we're gonna build this project. Yeah, and we're so excited, and we're supposed to make this gingerbread man.
Nice! I can't wait.
And we're gonna go see Santa today, and I want to give him cookies. You fine? You
okay?
Please. We're
Yep.
gonna like.
All right, you can go ahead, ladies. Good job, ladies.
We're gonna do it.
Oh,
They finished their gingerbread
wow.
and they colored this.
Okay, sweetheart. Open it first. Make sure you keep yours on one side. You guys are funny.
First,
Keep yours on the other side, Gracie.
I put this here.
Mm-hmm.
This here. Here. I'm putting the eyes. Here. And that's a pepper that I was in. Here are some buttons for the gingerbread boy.
Okay. Is that the eyes, Faith?
A nose. A nose.
Interesting. Okay. Faith, you're starting with the eyes. Okay. Good job. Just do you.
Stop.
Sharing, remember? Give Faith one person at a time, okay? Nice. It's gonna have special kind of eyes, huh?
Here. Nose. So are the eyes black. Mama?
Do you need help?
Help me. Yeah, no thanks.
What is that?
It's a mouth.
What is it?
A mouth.
A mouth?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's not a mouth.
What is it? Oh, do I need to take it out?
Yeah, take the mouth out so I can be.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, I see. Oh, the eyes and the... Hold on, let me help you, sweetheart. Let me help you. Oops. Hold on, sorry about that.
Mama, help me with the mouth.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so...
This is how the eyes
Is it
is.
like this?
This is the eye.
Good job. Excellent, Faith.
See?
What is
This.
that, sweetheart? Okay. Oh, nice,
That's
nice.
the...
Nice, Faith. You got the eyes. Did
What's
you
the
get the
button?
mouth? Did you get the mouth, Grace? Oh, Faith, the mouth is here. It's kind of like...
Squirty.
You should do the thing here, the
It's two buttons.
the glue.
Okay, and these are two buttons. Buttons. See your chocolate.
Here, sweetheart. Is this the eyes here? Is it gonna be there?
Leave it.
Ooh.
No.
Sorry, it's here.
We're gonna do this. I'm gonna build my happy.
Oh, that is Faith. That is interesting.
I'm gonna do.
Is he a happy?
Wait, it's not a boy. It's not a
It's
girl.
oh, it's a girl. Okay, is she happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice mouth. She looks happy to me.
Here with some buttons. Never mind.
Okay, what is that, Gracie?
Button on her face.
That's not the face. Let me see the picture. No, not that. Finish that one. Finish. Oh, she's doing good. Gracie's doing good. Yours it looks good too. Gracie,
Hold
give her
on.
the glue, sweetheart. Give her the glue. One person at a time, okay? What about the eyes, sweetheart? Gracie, what about the eyes?
Cheeks. I'm gonna do it in a second. I need to do. We need 4 icings for the gingerbread man,
Ah.
right?
I think.
We need some eyes, right?
Mhm.
Cheeks.
And cheeks.
Not yet.
Nice. Oh, let her one person at. Oh, let her finish first. Okay, give her now. Give her. Turn. Good job.
Well, how does mine look?
Nice. It looks very nice. Now it needs What are those? Rosy cheeks? Okay.
These are pink cheeks.
Nice.
Especially cheeks are pink. Especially.
Rosy cheeks. Ooh, she looks good to eat.
These are the candies.
Ooh, yum. Gracie, where does the cheek go? Cheek? Where are your cheeks, sweetheart? Here, right? Gracie. Gracie. Gracie.
Yes.
Look at me. Cheeks go here. Look, the cheeks go by the eyes, right? I think.
Mama.
Or you could do whatever you want. It's yours.
Mama, can you help me with the icing?
Is that the icing or what is that? Okay, hold on. Let me try doing this. Here. What is this?
I need 4.
Okay. 1. What on earth is this? Is this the sleeves or something? Do you want me to help you, Faithy? This?
No.
I helped Gracie.
I don't need icing. It's okay.
No, it's not icing. It's a... I think it's a...
I don't need those.
It's... What do you call it? It's the sleeves. You see? You see how it looks in here?
Oh.
Nice, Grace.
Oh, not yet.
One person at a time, sweetheart. Give it to her. Give it to her. One at a time. Good job. And then try to fix the other one.
Lots.
Good job. Look at you. Good job. Nice. Now your turn.
We take turns.
Make sure you don't. Make sure you don't do glue on your
dress.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Give her turn. Turn, Gracie. Her turn.
Okay.
Her turn. No, just her turn. Gracie, give her her turn.
Okay.
I know you're done, but I see. Good job.
Mama, thank you, especially icing.
Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy.
I'll show my dad.
Oh, Daddy's outside. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. No, come here, sweetheart. He's coming. He can't hear you from there. Crazy. He's coming. We'll show it to him. It will be a surprise, okay? Hey, put it here so I can see it.
Are you done with yours? No,
she's almost done.
not
Look.
yet.
She's almost done.
And mine's gonna be a girl.
She is? Okay.
You're gonna see.
Nice, Grace. I love your
Gingerbread man.
What are you doing to the eyes? They look cute.
I'm gonna
Okay, let's see.
fix it.
Okay.
See?
It's good, honey. It's good.
Gonna do it.
How come you're undoing it? It looks good, baby.
Okay.
Looks very good.
Not yet.
It is.
I'll show you.
What are you showing?
We're not gonna see it yet.
Okay, but it looks good. Okay.
You need to close your eyes.
Okay. Almost done, Faith?
Yeah.
Gracie?
You need to close your eyes.
Okay.
Don't talk.
But why are you...
I said close your eyes.
Gracie. All done? Can I open my eyes now?
No. Now open your eyes.
Beautiful. Can I look at them? Nice. Can you turn them around so I can look? Turn your girl around. Put it here.
Do you like Faithy's?
Nice. What's her name?
Faith.
Oh,
Mine is Faith.
Faith is looking like...
That is Grace.
Oh, yeah? Put it here so I can...
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm baking.
Nice, girl.